Hi, I'm Caroline Howe, product marketer here at ControlUp. Today I'm going to show you how ControlUp can help you automate manual, repetitive tasks involved in onboarding a new employee with our Workflows capability. Workflows is our automation platform for business processes. At its core, it lets you automate tasks that take up your team's time and introduce human error. It's great for teams and companies managing a lot of processes where consistency really matters. This onboarding example is really simple, but will give you an idea of what's possible with workflows. All right, so let's get into it. Say we want to automate the process for managing a new employee onboarding. We'll start by creating a form, which will then kick off a workflow. I'm going to create this workflow so that when HR submits a new hire form, everything else will happen automatically. So IT will get a hardware request, and the employee will get notified of their status. Creating a form is really simple in workflows, and anybody from your company can do it. It's very similar to Microsoft Forms in the way it sort of looks and feels. So if we go here on our onboarding form, you can see that in the left nav, we can drag and drop a lot of attributes in the drag and drop canvas. And then we also have the ability to brand our form with our company branding, which is cool. And so here will be our final form. You can use forms to collect feedback through surveys, and we can also connect multiple workflows to one form with different actions taken based on the form submission. For this workflow, I'm also going to incorporate an email alert. So as soon as I finish with my form, I'm going to click on the integration button here at the top, and I'm going to integrate this with Gmail. So I'll connect. I'll allow it. And it's really simple. So next, we're going to create our flow. All right, so here is our flow. And once we've created our form, which we just did, we'll link our form to our workflow. And instead of manually provisioning accounts, assigning permissions, and tracking it all across a spreadsheet and several tools, Workflows allows us to automatically sync processes. So in our flow section, we have our flow built here, and we'll start by creating a workflow trigger here at the top. And we know that the trigger will be receiving a form. So once we do that, we'll add a decision node below the trigger, which will give us the ability to add a human in the loop if we want to approve or reject the form information. So, and you can just drag that over. It's a decision node that you just drag over here. So you can make workflows 100% automated for sure. Adding a human in the loop is great if you have sensitive information or if you want to validate information with a person before moving on. So I'm going to add that in here just to give you an idea of what's possible. So with this approval node, now we'll start to create our rules, which you can see below here. And what I want to do is for the approval node, if we decide that this person approves the decision, then everybody that they approve will be routed to an Excel spreadsheet. And if rejected, it will trigger an email to a new hires manager. And because it's integrated with Gmail, the email will automatically be sent and routed. The most interesting part here is that you have access to a lot of integrations. So if we click here and we just scroll down, you can see how many integrations you are able to integrate with the flow, which is impressive. And our product team is adding more all the time. You can think of workflows like a big bucket of Legos. And if you want to add in integrations, if you want to add in approval steps or any process, it's really very easy to do it. And so I hope this has given you a good idea of what's possible with workflows. Thanks.